This video is for the 5th grade website project assignment 3, graphics, links, and publish. First go to Weebly.com, then you're going to click login in the top right corner, and then click G+ login. Then click on edit site. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to search for some pictures of your location. So we're going to open up a new tab, and I'm doing my website on the Freedom Trail. So I'm just going to type in Freedom Trail, hit enter, click on images, and find some pictures that I'd like to use. So for example, let's say I want to use this picture. I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to put my pointer on it, and then 2-finger click on my touchpad, choose Save Image As. Then click on Google Drive, and then click on Save. And then I'm going to find a couple other pictures. So again, 2-finger click, Save Image As, click on Google Drive, and save. And then again, 2-finger click, Save Image As, save, or Google Drive. Save, and I just need 2 more. 2-finger click, Save Image As, Google Drive, and save. And then we'll take one more, 2-finger click, Save Image As, and Google Drive, and save. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to click back over to Weebly, and you're going to click and drag a slideshow onto your page. And right now it looks like my Chromebook is a bit frozen. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to choose a style. So for example, I'm just going to choose thumbnails on bottom, and then click on continue. Then what you're going to do is click on upload photos from your computer. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you should be able to click on the first picture, and then hold down Shift on your keyboard, and then click on the last picture. And then from here, what you'll do is you'll notice that all of them are going to be highlighted or chosen, and so then you just click on open. And unfortunately, it's just taking a little while to load. Okay, so anyway, there we have our 5 pictures. So then you're going to add captions by clicking on the speech bubble. So for example, this is the Paul Revere statue. So I'm just going to put that in my caption, save, and then again click on the speech bubble and just tell what's in each picture. And you can keep it pretty short, just want to tell what's in each picture. And always remember, click on the little speech bubble and hit save. And then click on Add Photos. Or I'm sorry, not click on Add Photos, click on Save. Whoops. Alright, so now what's going to happen is you're going to see this slideshow. If you want to move it, what you would do Because see how it's kind of gigantic and it pushed our words down to the bottom. If we rest our pointer, don't click, you'll see these dots inside of a little box. Click and drag that to appear on the side of your text. And that'll make it look a lot better. So now you have a slideshow, you can hit play and it'll go through all of your photos along with the captions. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a map. So we're going to just go ahead and we can use the same tab that we search for our pictures on. And then we're just going to type in the name of your location and the word address. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy the address that you see. So here's the address. So you're just going to click and drag to highlight it and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. You're going to click back over to Weebly and then you're going to drag a map to go under your slideshow. So I'm just going to scroll down a little bit so I can see under my slideshow. And then I'm going to drag the map to appear under it. It's going to appear with a map of San Francisco at first. So we're just going to click on it and we're going to change it. And then from here, you're going to erase where it says San Francisco, California. And then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the address. And then you're just going to click in the map, and so then it'll bring up the correct address. So you'll notice there's the map to our location. And then we're just going to put a text box underneath that. And so we're just going to drag it here and click where it says click here to edit. And then you're going to paste the address again. So that way it shows up underneath it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start adding a couple of links. So you're going to link to the website that you used. You're going to click right before the little less than symbol. And then click and drag to highlight the URL. Make sure you don't highlight the greater than and the less than symbols. Then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. You're going to click on the link button, which looks like a little chain, and then click on website URL. And then click where it says insert URL, and then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard. And then just click on the link itself, and then you'll see that it turns into an underlined link, so people will be able to go to that website. Next, what you're going to do is link to the class website. So you're going to click on Pages, and then you're going to click on the plus sign. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on External Page. And you're going to title it Mass Tourism, because this is going to be the title of our class page. And from here, what we're going to do is click where it says External Link, and don't erase where it says HTTP. And you're just going to type in Mass Tourism t2b.weebly.com. Make sure that you copy the correct spelling. And then click on Done. Then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to publish our work. So we're going to click on Publish up at the top, click on Continue. Then you're going to click where it says I'm not a robot. And once it comes up with the checkbox, then you'll click on OK, Publish My Site. And then what you're going to do is click on the link that appears. And that's going to bring you to your published work. So you're just going to click on it once up at the top to highlight the URL, and then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up another tab, and you're going to click on Mail in order to open up your Gmail. And you're going to be emailing the link to your published website to Mrs. Foley. So you're going to click on Compose, and then from here, you're going to type in to efoley at hanoverschools.org. Make sure that you spell it correctly. And then just for the subject, you would type in whose website it is. And then finally, click in the body of the email and then hit Control-V on your keyboard, and that'll paste the link, and then click on Send. And that's it.